Hey friends, Jessica here from Creators Couture. So I have something really exciting I'm going to share with you guys for this video, and that is I am launching my affiliate program. So you can earn a huge commission just by sharing my products. And this is something I'm really excited about because it's a win-win for everybody. I want to spend my time creating new content for my followers and not doing tons of marketing. And then this is a great way for people who are already using my brushes to pin and share something that they already love and earn a very generous commission doing it. So let's get started. So if you go to my website, right here at the top, you can go to share and earn. And you can earn 30% commission just by sharing your favorite Photoshop brushes with this affiliate program. And if you're not familiar with an affiliate program, what it is that you refer customers and then you get a commission. And what's cool is that you don't need any social media following to start earning money referring people to my site. So that's really cool. You don't need to be even a micro influencer. You don't need to have an Instagram following, nothing like that. So I'm just going to kind of go through and show you the basics of it, show you how you can sign up. And yeah, it'll be really fun. And it's just very easy. So if you guys are not familiar with me, my name is Jessica, and I'm very known for creating revolutionary Photoshop brushes that have really changed the game for a lot of people. And my work has been featured on Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm a featured subscription creator on Behance, featured live streamer, been featured by Patreon, actually two different features with Adobe Creative Cloud, and also on Creative Market. And so if you're new to my brushes, just you can check out some of my work here. But it does help to be familiar with my products. And one of the good things about being able to share my products on sites like Pinterest is this is a product that people are already buying, happy to buy. It's not selling like a lot of the affiliate programs that people, you see people hustling are like, oh, you can sell this vitamin pack for like $1,000 or a 6 month supply, or life coaching for $1,000. And it's things that like people aren't really buying, but my products are like very good and they really sell themselves. It's just a way for me to get new eyes on my products. So, yeah, first of all, the commission is 30%, and you get 30% on any sales a customer makes within 30 days of clicking on your links. And the cool thing is especially if you're pinning to Pinterest, you can just kind of set it and forget it. And your pins can be working for you like all of the time. And even not just right away, like 6 months down the road, somebody can click your link. And what's cool is that like say somebody buys a shop bundle at a 30% commission, that would be a $38 payout. So I do have my shop bundle, which is, especially if somebody buys one or two of my products, I often have them ending up buying the shop bundle. And so they get $900 worth of products for like $129. And if you read the reviews down at the bottom, people are, the shop bundle really sells itself. So that's a really nice high ticket item that lots of people buy. And if you're able to refer a customer who ends up buying that, that's a huge commission. And so, first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up as an affiliate. So, on this blog post, you can click the link here. I'll just open that up in the new tab. It says click here to sign up as an affiliate. So then you're going to go to my affiliate portal, and it's going to say creatorscouture.goafpro.com. And you just click join now, and then you just sign this up, fill this out, this form out, and put whatever social medias you have, Pinterest, etc. Fill all this stuff out. And then, but don't worry if you don't have that many followers or anything like that. It really doesn't matter. And then you can put whether you're a customer or not already and how you plan on sharing the affiliate links. The most common will be pinning on Pinterest. And then you create an account, and then it'll take like you'll get approved within, because I manually approve all of them. You'll get approved usually within a day. And so then you'll get a confirmation email saying you've been approved as an affiliate. And so then once you're approved, I'm just going to quick show you here the back end of this. So whenever you're approved, you can log in. And this is your little dashboard here. So I went ahead and created a blank account just so I could show you. So right here will be your information, and then you have your referral link. So this is your referral link. Anytime you just want to send people to my homepage of my website, you've got a referral code at the end, and that makes sure that you get paid. And then if you're somebody that I've approved, I'll send you a coupon code which you can use. I do that manually. Usually, if you don't have a coupon code, it's because you didn't put enough social medias. The only thing that um, I just do this with trusted affiliates because sometimes people can take advantage of that. And I want to pay commissions if you actually send somebody to my site. But sometimes people will go to my website and say, oh, let's see if there's a coupon code somewhere online. And so they're not really, so they're just looking for that. And people will put them on coupon sharing websites. And it's like a lazy way to make the commission. So I am, cautious with sharing a coupon code. But what's cool is if you're sharing things on social media and you have a coupon code, or you're sharing something to a Facebook group, you can say, hey, I created this design with the Creators Couture brushes, and if you want to check them out, then you can use my code Samantha and save 10%. And so by using that coupon code, or that's really handy for social media sharing, so that you can still get your commission, even if they didn't click the referral link. And then here you can see your summary. Here is marketing tools, and then you have a payments tab, and then your settings, so you can change your settings at any time. And one thing that is useful is if you want to send somebody to, like, say a specific product page, like the whole shop bundle, you can copy the web address, and then this marketing tools is you paste the product link right here, and then right here it'll generate a link with your affiliate tag on it. So then you just have to copy it from there. And then also, as time goes by, I'm going to put some more marketing tools in here for you guys with images and videos, so you can actually share my like videos to Pinterest, to video pins, things like that. So I want to give you a lot of things that are ready made that you can use, assets, creative assets that you can use to share this stuff. And yeah, so just making it as easy as possible for you to just help share and get some of that high commission. So, and the commission is very generous. Lots of commissions are usually like 10 or 20%, but this is 30%, so it's a very good commission. And so yeah, so that is the dashboard once you're approved. And then I'm just going to go over a few basics about sharing to Pinterest. And then you can read the article too. I will be adding more things here as I have time to add them, more resources. If you are an affiliate, you can always come back to the share and earn post to learn more. So one thing that about the best way to earn the affiliates commission is to share images and videos to Pinterest, because Pinterest is like a visual search engine and people are there looking. So I give you some tips, and I'm just going to kind of go through and also show you a sample of like how to pin directly from my website. And another thing you can do is share your own creations with my brushes on social media. You can share them on Behance, you can share them in Facebook groups. So if you're a part of an illustration group and you have some work that you want to share, say, hey, yeah, I use Creators Couture brushes, and I do have a discount code for 10%. So, you can use my name in the discount code, and that way you get your commission. There's TikTok, YouTube. You can create your own YouTube videos or make a tutorial with my brushes. You are more than welcome. And just put your link down below. Instagram and TikTok are good if you like to create videos, or you want to share some of my videos eventually that I'll have on there, because they're really pushing video. And yeah, any other ways you want to share and earn, if you have an email news, and then of course if you're a classic person with like a blog, you have an email newsletter list they've signed up for, that's design related, You can do that. And let's see here. It does help to be familiar with my products. So, but that's why I'm also sharing this with my newsletter list, because most of the people are already familiar with my products. And you can always contact me at any time. Send me an email. I'm usually able to get back with you in about a day or two. And yeah, one thing that I will tell you, I put this at the end, an elite level affiliate hack is most of you guys know that I have a membership on Behance, and this is like all of my extras, which includes source files, individual toolkits that actually have the brushes already loaded. And so you could actually use these resources to create, TikTok videos or demos or whatever. And it's like I've actually just, set everything up for you. So you can take a kit and just, show one of the brushes in action and make a TikTok video out of it, but you've already got the Photoshop document set up and everything. So feel free to use those resources. So this really is an elite hack, and you can become a Behance member for $10 and access my entire catalog of tutorial toolkits. So this is like a huge advantage. And the last thing that I want to do on this first video, I feel like I'm flying through this. So I'll have the link to this blog article and everything. So feel free to read this at your leisure. But I'm just going to show you how easy it is to start earning commission just by simply pinning the images directly from my website. This is going to be probably the easiest thing that you can do. You can do it in your spare time. You can do it while you're watching TV. You can do whatever. And you can be making some good money, especially now the summer breaks are over and the design industry is very busy from the time now leading up to Christmas. So it's a great time to just get a lot of commissions coming in. So yeah, anything is possible. And let's see here. So I'm going to, let's see here. Let's say I'm going to share something from my Instagram collection. And okay, so we're going to share an image directly from my website. Just pin it. And so that can be like really something easy for you to do. So I'm going to go here to my website, and I can just hover over this here or use like if you have the Pinterest extension. Um, but this is like, okay, so this is a Christmas design. And one thing you want to think about when you're pinning is when people are searching, they're not looking for the product type usually or the name or whatever. They're looking for the result. So always keep that in mind when you're titling things, when you're whatever. So the first thing that I want to do before I pin this is I want to get my affiliate link for this product, because whenever you pin something from this site, you want them to go directly to this product. So I'm going to go up here to my URL area, and I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to pop over to my marketing tools, paste that in here, and now I'm going to copy this, and this will have my generated link for my commissions. And if I pop it in here, I can look up at the end and make sure that it has the question mark referral equal, and then your affiliate link is, your affiliate code is linked. So now I'll just go here and I'll click save. And I'm going to click that visit button, because what you want to do is you need to edit this pin straight away with your own codes. So let me just refresh this page here. Sometimes it doesn't show. Okay, so now let's click on these three dots, edit pin, and now we can edit everything. And so we just, instead of the website, this is the default website, we want to paste in our code, and now we see our referral link is on there. And then we want to be smart about creating Pinterest boards. First of all, I'll just talk about the pin first of all, but you want your title to be something related to that image, the descriptions in plain words like what you're trying to achieve. And those kind of things are going to really help your pin be more successful. And actually, I know this stuff in theory, but I just haven't had time to like pin a lot. So don't look at my Pinterest board as like the best example. But for the title, I will be like, create gold, like easy gold luxe effects for Christmas design. Let's here, like easy gold effects here for Christmas card designs. Um, and okay, it could be something more intelligent than that, but as you can see, I'm doing this as I go. And then, you can put a description in and be like, um, luxurious gold effects, easy luxurious gold effects with just a click, um, something like this. Whatever you would want to say, a nice description full of some keywords. So, you want to put like Photoshop. I think my Instagram even has like the digital paper, so you could use them in Procreate. Digital paper, digital papers that you can use to create luxurious gold accents in your design. Blah 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 blah. I'm going to try to edit some of my product descriptions also, but you want to use each image individually and put a title, description, alt text. So this is like alt text is to describe what is on the image. So you can put Christmas card design with 3 gold options for texture. Something to describe the image. That's really good. And that actually, I think, helps SEO and it helps screen readers or visually impaired, things like that, the alt text. And then, you can even add a note to yourself and hit save. And, of course, you can create your own boards that are like, maybe not even specific to each product, but like, brushes, gold effects, da da da. So, you can get really, really interesting with it. And also, I will try to put some links for successful pinning on that blog post article as soon as I have time. But you can just Google Pinterest SEO tips. So really, excuse me, it's just as easy as that. So, you can click save. And now your pin is in the Pinterest verse. Oops, well, I'm just going to hit cancel. But now your pin is in there. And now, if you put some good keywords on it, you can get some great sales from that. And there's no limit, there's no end date. So the more people click on your Pinterest link, it can just actually get more and more traction as time goes on. So that can just keep earning you money. And yeah, so I'll share some more Pinterest tips as I have them. Also, you can share video right now, like vertical video is very big and they're very pushing it on Pinterest. What is it? TikTok and what's the other one? Instagram. And so I'm going to probably put some of my vertical videos into the marketing area on the affiliate program so you can actually just share my videos. So I will be doing that. So that's pretty much it. Just kind of wanted to do an overview of this affiliate program. But really, the bottom line is that you can earn 30% commission quite easily. And you can also pin, where is my phone? The easiest way to do that is Pinterest. I definitely encourage that. And also social media sharing, vertical videos on TikTok and Instagram. They're really pushing those right now, so that can be a great opportunity. And please let me know if you have any questions or anything down below in the comments, and you can always email me at any time. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you as part of my affiliate program soon. Because I really like to spend my time creating more content for you guys. And so this way I can, the rising tide raises all ships. So it's a great way for people who already enjoy my products just to do a little pinning and make some money. So thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will see you on the next video.